Shiny bouncy hair with lots of volume. This is the result I got after using henna. I was so happy, but the video would end here if it was that straightforward. Let me explain. I came across this brand called The Henna Guys. I've never heard of it before, so I decided to try it as part of my henna hair series. It came in a generous pack of 200 grams, which is enough for 2 full applications for me. My mix is plain and simple: distilled water and henna. I'm out of my favorite aloe vera powder, so I'm using my DIY hibiscus gel instead. If you haven't heard about it, here is my other video. This is absolutely my favorite face cream of the year. It's from a brand called Zoe Bee and it's based on shea butter. It's quite thick and it makes my skin so youthful and fresh. Today I'm using it to protect my face and ears from henna drips. I will moisturize my face as well. I would always recommend to use gloves while doing henna, as it can stain your hands and nails for a couple of days. I'm applying my henna on freshly washed hair and I'm not using any conditioner. As I mentioned before, my hair type is very dry. The texture is slightly wavy and hair dryness was something I was dealing with all my life, plus hair shedding since my mid-20s. I don't damage my hair in any way. No straighteners or chemical hair colors. I rarely blow dry too. I would say more often in winter, but still very rarely. In winter, they get so dry that there's barely anything I can do to control it. I think it's the dry air indoors that contributes to it, plus the actual cold and wind outside. I know that if you have dry and frizzy hair, henna can make it even drier. So I'm just hoping that hibiscus gel would bring enough moisture into the mix. I'm coloring my hair in the usual fashion. If you're new to my channel, I have many videos explaining the process in details. Check out my henna series, where I test different brands and types of henna. I love the texture of this henna powder from The Henna Guys. It feels very finely sifted and easy to work with. Makes for a clean and easy application, and hibiscus gel definitely helps in kind of holding the base together, and I honestly feel that whenever I use the DIY hibiscus gel, I literally have no drips of henna around my face and neck. Okay, so cling film, warm hat, and I'm good to go. I will leave henna in my hair for 3 to 4 hours. While I'm waiting, I decided to make this delicious and cozy vegan red lentil dal, which I will serve with some basmati rice and coconut yogurt. I mixed it with grated cucumbers, kind of like Greek tzatziki. At the end of the day, I washed my henna out of my hair with just plain water. After another 2 or 3 days, I shampooed and conditioned my hair. And this was the result. I ended up with dry hair even when using hibiscus gel along with my henna. It absolutely worked wonders for my hair in summer, but really did nothing in winter. I don't think it's the quality of henna that is bad. I think the henna was really good quality, however, my hair was just too dry to be okay with henna this time. And it kind of felt lifeless and I needed a rescue. It surely got the color from henna. I was just desperate for shine and volume that it usually gives me. So on my next wash day, I decided to make a banana mask for my hair, with just 2 simple ingredients, and now these are the results that I'm really happy with. I just can't believe it. My hair are completely transformed. This is how they would usually look in summer for me. My main goals are shine, manageability and volume. I know that the amount of hair I have is what it is, so I don't have unrealistic expectation about thickness or length of my hair, but oh my god, isn't this a huge difference already? I'm going to show how I made this mask in one of my next videos if you're interested. I know many people oil their hair after henna or do deep conditioning masks. Sometimes I do too, but nowadays oiling alone wasn't helping me at all. So in conclusion, I would say this brand of henna worked pretty well for me, but only with the addition of super nourishing DIY banana hair mask afterwards. The color itself is lovely, nice and rich red tone in the sunshine, but in the shade my hair are quite dark. Some people previously commented that my hair looks almost black, and that's the beauty of henna, it changes color according to the light situation. So that's it for another henna video in my series. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried this brand of henna yourself and what was your experience. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.